Now, what is hybridization? See, in our everyday life, we have 8 different vegetables and grains. Those are hybrid. Generally, how they made? When genetically two different species are mixed together, then a new type of species are originated called the hybrid species. Similarly, here the steel is a hybrid materials which form or made by using iron and carbon, and there are so many materials or species in our everyday life. Those are hybrid in nature. Similarly in chemistry also we have hybridization concept. So we have element, and those are composed of multiple atoms, and again atoms have orbitals. These atomic orbitals are defined like s orbitals, p orbitals, and also d orbitals. These are different shapes, but these shapes are come from quantum mechanical calculations. But yet the shapes is important because it is the home for electron, and which electron in the present in the orbital are responsible for chemical bond formation. The same way, hybridization in chemistry happens when the pure atomic orbitals are mixed together to form a new orbital called hybrid orbital. Here in this cases, the s orbital when mixed with a 1p orbital, it will form the sp hybrid orbital. 1s2p, this then mixing gives the 3 new sp2 hybrid orbital. S and 3p orbital mixing give sp3 hybrid orbital. S, 2p and d after mixing give dsp2 or sp2d, and S to 3p and d mixing give dsp3 or sp3d. Now, here is one question for you. Why I have used here DSP2 or SP22, SP2D? Why not the only one? So, please comment in the comment section. And as this pure orbital after mixing gives hybrid orbital, these pure orbital are of different energy, but not in mind. Keep in mind that hybrid orbitals each have the identical energy and identical shape. As we are talking about the organic compound, which mainly the chemistry of carbon, so it has only sp orbital. So we will further talk on only these three sp, sp2 and sp3 hybridization in next few sections.